Hey, this is my channel. Yeah, we be live.
I'll be here working with you. I can even
Okay. You can tell your uncle now.
Huh?
You can tell your uncle now
I got you.
that you be on TV. Boy, acting up tonight.
We have a slow-mo race.
Slow motion, y'all. Damn. Man, I hate that it's messing up this much. I could go on the 720 later on. I think. Yeah, I think I'm on the next one. I think I'm gonna get out and go to yeah. I think I need a phone restart, y'all. I think I need a phone restart. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel? Okay, I gave her the card the other day. Okay, she on there too, y'all. Yeah, when the smoker, she been drinking blood excuse day night. Hey, my boy, he on there, y'all. Let me see. Y'all finna make a full pass? You gonna make a full pass? You gonna race? Okay, she finna do something, y'all. She finna do something. We're gonna see what you working with right now. Come on with it. Huh?
I'm not finna spin my shit.
Okay, she ain't finna spin it though. Okay. Okay, that's cool.
Look out. What we got going?
Look out. On my TikTok. Hey, what I'm finna do, y'all, I'm finna switch phones. That's what I'm finna do. Yeah, I'm finna switch phones. So I'm gonna make it perfect. Well, I'm gonna wait till the next time it buffer and then I'm gonna switch phones. So it probably take a little minute. Let me see what I will. Hey, TikTokers, y'all come on over to my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look out, look out. Yeah, I'm about to switch. I'm about to go to Android, y'all. Look Out Racing on YouTube. Look out, look out. Let's see if this solves the problem. Hey, is it working? Okay, we back, KT Fly. Ooh, that mug went down though. Okay, Kangas, we back, y'all. They said we back. All right, bet. All right, that's good. Okay, I'll clean it after this race. All right, let me go find somebody's shirt. Hey, look out. Look out, man. I need to see your shirt, man, to wipe my lens on my phone. This shirt ain't good enough. This ain't a good enough shirt.
Let me see.
This ain't that shit
Man,
that
that's a
clean.
silky one.
So you think it'll clean it?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Mine's got sweat all over it.
Let me see. I guess that did it.
Nah, you still got a glare, bro.
Damn, where the hell that's coming from?
If you want to try it,
Let me see, man. Okay, they said slap him up, man.
Hey, that's gonna be $20.
Okay, 4K now. Okay, good. Okay, there we go. Okay. They said Mop Man came in clutch. Give me that shit. Right lane for the win. Oh, snap.